the only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm very happy to be doing a jewelry video today on this channel. The reason why is because I haven't done one in quite a while. Today, I'm actually going to be talking to you guys about why I haven't been doing jewelry videos. You guys know that I moved to Mexico quite some time ago. Very happily moved to Mexico from the United States. If you guys follow my travel channel, you guys will be keeping up with my wife and I, our trips and all that stuff. And we've been having a great time here in Mexico. Now, when I first moved to Mexico, I was very materialistic. Not to say that I'm not now, but I was more so materialistic. And that materialism, it extended into the way I would dress, the way I would, the jewelry I would wear and stuff like that. And I was so materialistic that I made a channel based on jewelry. Initially, it was just a jewelry channel and not a lifestyle channel. I created this channel for those of you who are also materialistic like me and who needed help with jewelry sizing. When I decided to move to Mexico, I knew this channel would suffer just a bit. Number one, the reason why is because the shipping in Mexico is not the same as in the United States. And a lot of companies out there, or a lot of, a lot of Amazon products and things like that, whatever jewelry you're getting, it's more easily accessible in the United States. So I certainly can get jewelry delivered here if I so chose, but then it goes back to the fact that I have genuinely, gratefully gotten less materialistic here. When you see the people walk around here, no matter where you are in Mexico, they are not anywhere near as materialistic as they are in the United States. In fact, the air of the United States, like when you get into the spirit of a lot of places, not all places, but a lot of places in the United States, when you enter into the United States, automatically, because of what you're surrounded by, you just become more materialistic. Not only that, but you're working a lot more often, a lot of the time. And what I've noticed is that when you're working so much, you want outside things, such as like materialistic type of things, like maybe a large TV or maybe like a necklace or a bracelet or something like that. You want a lot of those things to make you happier because you're not happy. You're always working. And so ever since I've moved to Mexico, I'm working a lot less. Probably like 3/4 of the amount less. I'm a lot happier, and I find better uses for my money here, like upgrading the house that I bought, going out to eat with my family, something along those lines, and it's a lot more fulfilling. The last thing that I purchased was from Daniel Jewelry Inc. I did a video talking about this 10-carat bracelet that I have, and I'm very happy with it. I wear it all the time. Even in Mexico, I wear it all the time. I haven't had any issues with it, even though they're a lot less materialistic here, and people will glance at this every so often if they see me wear it. It's a lot more of an understated piece, which means that I can wear it, feel happy that I'm wearing it, and it's not over the top. Like normally I would be wearing my chains and stuff, and if I wore that around, people would be looking at me like, they'd be doing like double takes, triple takes, you know what I mean? And so I don't want to stand out from the crowd as much. And when I wear that stuff now, here, I actually just don't feel like it's me. Whereas when I was in the United States, I felt like those chains were a part of me, like they were part of my soul, like my being. Like that was just a part of my body. It was an extension of my body. Now when I wear them, I don't feel that way anymore. It makes me feel like I'm not in my body, in fact. So that's why I have been doing so many jewelry videos. And I miss you guys. I miss the community. I miss the wonderful support, the kind words. I miss being able to help you guys with jewelry videos. I'm happy to know that a lot of my older videos are very helpful. I mean, out of the 3 YouTube channels that I have, the travel channel, the bodybuilding channel, and this channel is definitely the most watched channel out of all of the channels, even out of the travel channel. So I'm glad to know that when I started making this content, it was made for a reason, and that it's still able to fulfill that need that people have when it comes to jewelry and accessories. You guys see that I switched over to jewelry and lifestyle in the name, and that's because I would like to focus more on lifestyle in general. Like, you know, I just put out that, you know, another Shiny Smile Veneers video, put out a coffee machine video, something that's really changed up my lifestyle. It's amazing, and I'm really happy with that. So I hope those videos have been helping you guys. But I know a lot of people are like, Joe, where's the jewelry videos? Where are the jewelry videos? And I just genuinely, like, in my soul, in my heart, in my being, I don't have the desire to necessarily create those. And so because I haven't had that desire, and because I told myself that I'm going to work less, well, if I forced myself to make a video that I wasn't really into making, I feel like it would be work. So I'm not saying the jewelry videos are going to stop 100%, but certainly they have slowed down and will still be on the slow track. Another reason why I slowed down with them is because I noticed the jewelry space online becoming toxic. What do I mean by that? There was a lot of crazy stuff going on, and I just wanted to, like, take myself out of that craziness, you know what I mean? I was not happy with where I saw the jewelry space on YouTube going. And I know I was a part of it going in that direction because I know I was the one who initially was putting out videos talking about Daniel Jewelry Inc., the problem that one particular customer had with them. I was also talking about, you know, doing interviews with various people in the jewelry space. And so we saw a lot of other people who came into the jewelry space after me kind of like model their videos, using mine as like a base for their videos. And so while that was cool, I also think it was brought to a level where it never should have been brought to. Like, you had people arguing, fighting, all this crazy stuff online. It's like, bro, this is just too much drama for me. Like, drama's cool to a point, but, you know, so it became a toxic space, and that really made me not want to be involved in it to a very large degree. Another thing that I didn't want this channel to become, and I told you guys in a couple of videos, was a jewelry reviewing channel. I didn't want to become a Cuban, you know what I mean? Like, where they're just sending him stuff, he's doing videos on it, they're paying him to do the videos. I didn't want this channel to become that. And I was getting hundreds of emails from different companies saying, would you review my stuff? We'll pay you. And I was like, yeah, that would be great. I would love to get paid to review a bunch of people's random stuff and only tell you good things about it, but I don't want to do that to my viewers. You know, I started this channel to help you guys. And when people saw how popular the channel became and how my personality was resonating with the beautiful people on this channel, others wanted to capitalize on that naturally, right? They were like, we want to give you money and you talk about our stuff. No problem. That's cool. That's fine. But I didn't want the channel to become that. And so that was another reason why I felt like I needed to step back, step away a little bit, and just kind of focus on what made me happy. I didn't want this channel to just become one big sales pitch, you know what I mean? Which it could have very well became that very easily. So I'm very happy and grateful that it didn't. And I'm happy I stepped away at the time that I did. If there are any videos in the future that I'm going to put out, of course, I'm not going to hold back from putting them out if it's a jewelry video. But I definitely want to make sure that those videos are being put out for the right reasons. I don't want to be causing any drama on YouTube, you know what I mean? Nobody needs that in their life. And at the end of the day, I'm really happy working less and making videos that I enjoy making. So I hope that you guys understand this video is just like straight up for my jewelry people out there. Haven't forgotten about you guys, amazing community out there. And I hope that the videos that I have and will put out in the future will continue to help. But I wanted to really just like have a heart-to-heart with you guys and talk to you guys about why I stepped away. Because so many people ask me, where's the jewelry videos? Where's the jewelry? And I get it. So I hope this helped you guys understand where those jewelry videos are and what the deal is. Anyway, guys, be safe, talk soon. I'll catch you all at the next video.